You excited for today? Today, we're finally tuning the STI. You guys heard it right. Today, we are tuning. Oh, we are super bright. Today we are tuning the Subaru WRX STI. Did a little bit of clips here and there in the previous videos when we threw on the downpipe, but today we're gonna be going back and forth with my tuner and properly get the STI tuned with the catback system and the downpipe that's on the car. So in the last video with the STI, we installed a Grimspeed catted downpipe. So there it is right there. Nice little 3-inch downpipe. Coming around to the back, one of the first things that we did to the STI was install the MBRP 3-inch catback. So this thing pretty much has a full exhaust. The car is now hooked up with boosted performance. So we're gonna be doing the data logs and the tunes with boosted performance. We already started like a week ago, but I'm waiting right now for a tune revision. So once Graham from boosted performance sends me another tune, we'll hook up the access port to the car, get some logs in, some wide open throttle pulls, you name it, all that fun stuff. And we'll see how the car feels. I'm super excited. Alright guys, so my tuner just sent me the new tune and it's on my laptop right now. We're gonna go ahead and load it onto the STI. It's super simple. Honestly, it takes like 30 seconds. Really easy with the access port. Yep, let's load it up. Alright, so what we're gonna do is unplug it from the car and now into your computer. Alright, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna open Access Port Manager, which is the program for the access port. All these are pretty much like preloaded tunes that come with the access port already. So we're not gonna pay attention to that. I got the tune right here on my desktop, so all we have to do literally is just drag it into the access port and there you go. Simple as that. Just hit eject access port. Now it's time to load the map onto the car. We're gonna go down to tune, change ECU map, do its thing, ECU reflash. As you can see, this is the tune that I just showed you guys that we loaded onto the access port. So we're gonna hit OK, and now it pretty much does its thing. The dash is gonna go absolutely crazy. There you go, change map successful. Super simple. That whole process from loading the map on the access port and then putting it onto the car honestly took like 2 to 5 minutes, nothing crazy. Alright, so while we let the car idle a little bit and kind of learn the tune, you guys always ask me, do I run off-the-shelf tunes? Do I, pro tune the car? But I'm sure you guys have heard it's not recommended to stay on an off-the-shelf tune for a long time because they're kind of just like one size, universal tune for like all the cars. It's always nice to get pro tuned so the tuner can actually see how your car is running. Every car is different, in their own way, so it's always nice to get a pro tune. It's like a personal tune for your own car. Off-the-shelf tunes, you can feel a difference in power, but I can tell you guys right now, from tuning the WRX and then tuning the STI, having a pro tune feels so much quicker than an off-the-shelf tune and it feels way better. So I highly recommend getting a pro tune. Off-the-shelf tunes are good, temporarily just to drive the car until you get like a pro tune and whatnot. But in the end, I highly recommend getting a pro tune. It feels way better, trust me guys. Since the new tune is on the car, I'm gonna go ahead and get some data logs in. So we're gonna hit this center button to start logging. So this is what I'm gonna send the tuner, and it pretty much shows how the car is running. We're just gonna hit the center button. And as you can see, it is logging now. So this is a data log. We're gonna do a little bit of cruising, driving around, and then at the end, we're gonna do a wide open throttle pull. And that's pretty much what Graham from Boosted Performance asked. So excited to see what this car feels like with a wide open throttle pull. Damn. All right, so my tuner told me that he put some pops in between the shifts. Now I don't think it's anything crazy like the FRS, like pops and bangs. And I think it's like in between shift type of like pops. I'm excited to hear what that sounds like when we are aggressively driving. You guys know me, I always love my pops and bangs. Car sounds different. I don't know if I'm tripping or not. We got some pops in between shifts, little baby pops. Yeah, dude, this car is torquey as heck. The next video on this channel is contact with another exhaust company, and we're actually throwing on a single exit exhaust. So stay tuned for that video, guys. It's probably most likely going to be the next video that's on the channel. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and do that wide open throttle pull right now. Oh, this sun is... My tuner says to start in 3rd gear. It pretty much says floor it, you know, foot down all the way until 6,500 RPMs. It's always nerve-wracking, especially on a new tune, but he wants me to do it in sport as well as sport sharp. Yeah, here goes wide open throttle pull. A little bit over 2,000, 3rd gear. Oh my gosh, bro. Bro, this car pulls, dude. So freaking torquey. Alright, we're gonna pull over and we're gonna switch it over to sport sharp. Dude, it's so torquey. Never done this before. Sport sharp, as you can tell on the dash, got it right there. Damn, that thing goes like straight up. All right. That was torquey in the beginning. It just kind of like flattened out. Honestly, I think I like sport way better. Manager, we are going to pull up the data log that we just did. So we go right here, data logs, and it should be the last one. It's the most recent one. So I'm going to save this to my computer. Alright, so we saved it to the computer, and that's it. Eject access port. So yeah, we got it right here, data log 6. Now we go to the email, reply. We're going to go ahead and attach our file, data log 6, open. So yeah, we're gonna send this log to his email. And guys, that's literally the whole tuning process right there. You're gonna do that probably like, I don't even know, 5 or 6 times depending on how your car works. Repeat that process over and over and over again. Just keep sending him logs back and forth. And yeah, I'm probably not gonna show you guys all that because that's kind of boring and repetitive. So I just want to show you guys kind of just tuning the STI. Yeah, the car feels great. Honestly, this process is super simple, as you guys saw. Again, massive shout out to Graham for tuning the STI and getting this thing pro tuned, because who doesn't love a good pro tune? We are about to wash the STI. It is the perfect day to wash. Before I start, I know I get a lot of questions asking my setup. You know, what do I use to wash the car because it looks freaking cool with like the foam gun and everything. I'll have a link down in the description. It's like an Amazon list. I have an Amazon list full of a whole bunch of stuff that I use, like car wash stuff, computer, you know, like editing stuff for YouTube, tools for the garage. So I have a whole bunch of stuff in the Amazon list. That'll be down in the description below if you guys are interested. Yeah, anyways, power washer is all set up. I have not washed this in so freaking long, way before I put the lip and the side skirts and all that stuff on. The wheels look black and they're supposed to be blue, so let's go and give this thing a nice wash. shoot the new merch. So we got some new hoodies in this brown color, as well as this super sick green color. I love these colors so much. So these two new hoodies are gonna be live on the website tomorrow from the day I'm posting this. So they're going live Sunday, December 18th on the BRGS Supply website. So yeah, it's hoodie season. It's freaking cold, especially here in California. So honestly, these hoodies are perfect. We're gonna get a little photo shoot in for the website and Instagram. And yeah, I'm excited. Let's do some pulls and let's see what the car feels like with the new tune.
Those are loud. It's warm. I mean, they're kind of loud actually.
I don't know if I'm tripping or not, but I can hear the turbo more. It's like a little, like, I don't know what you, like a spool or like a little whine. It was not there before the tune, which is kind of weird, so that's pretty sick. A little second gear pull. Second gear feels amazing. All right, third gear. So we're at what? We're on 17 pounds of boost. Dude, this car feels so freaking quick. I love it. I'm trying to remember what the WRX felt like. I don't know which one is quicker, because I had the WRX Pro tuned as well. It's been so long, but dude, this car feels very torquey. It feels quick. Like, it honestly exceeded my expectations as far as like tuning the STI and stuff. This car feels quick. I honestly think it's faster than the FRS. That's kind of a stretch, but dude, I don't know, man. This car feels very torquey. Another second gear. Oh man. Oh. We'll do a fat pull right here. Hold on, let's turn around. All right, here we go. Gosh. Bruh. That lady was pissed. I just flew by her, like flew by her going hella fast. I'm pretty sure she's mad. Bruh, these pops are so sick. I kind of wish you could pop on command, but for this car, or for this tune, it pops like as you downshift. You kind of have to hold the clutch in the middle as you let go of the clutch when you're downshifting. Kind of weird, but that's kind of how I figured out how to pop it with the boosted performance tune. Set you guys are here. We're gonna do a little photo shoot, a little behind the scenes.
Good picture, even though you, I don't know what you're doing. This way, just like straight down the road. Here, you can just walk, and if you want to put your hand in your pocket, look straight. Like, and then we'll do one kind of.
All right, guys, that just about concludes our photo shoot of the new hoodies. Came out so sick. I'm really excited for these photos, and overall I'm excited for this drop. That being said, we're about to get something to eat. Super freaking hungry, haven't eaten forever. But yeah, that concludes the video. You know, we tuned the STI. It feels so freaking sick. If you guys liked it, drop a like on this video, and comment down below what you guys think. If you guys are recommending getting a Pro Tune for your WRX or STI, I highly recommend hitting up Boosted Performance. Again, huge shout out to them for tuning the STI today. But yeah, that's gonna do it for today's video. I love you guys so freaking much, and huge shout out to all you guys in advance who placed an order on the new drop with the new hoodies. Thank you so much. Honestly, means the freaking world. Thank you guys for watching today's video, and I will catch you all in the next one. Peace.